Today is my mother's memorial. I don't want to turn today into a sad day because today is a day to remember all our beautiful moments with her. Today I just want to talk about the most cherished moments I have with her. Just like any mother and daughter relationship, fights and misunderstandings are common. Sometimes she used to make me so angry to the point I question her love for me. But fights come and go, and when they do go, my mom turns into the most happiest and funniest person around. For those who don't know, my mom is an awesome storyteller. One of her best features, she can make you sit and listen to her stories for hours. I used to tell her my stories also, all of my dreams and what I want to become. She used to support all of them, even though I sounded unrealistic at times. She didn't care. She used to never listen. She used to tell me to never listen to what the haters said, and to always be confident. All funny content you see me doing online and was all her amazing plan. She was always the woman behind the camera shouting words of encouragement. It's sad to think about the fact that I won't experience that anymore. And not to mention, she was the one who brought me up in Christ. She used to pray for hours, and since the early age of 6, I joined her, curious of what she was speaking to God about for hours. I know most kids don't like watching Bible stories. They're only interested in cartoons, but I love reading and studying the Bible, and I'm really genuine with that. The day the news was broken to me, I didn't even cry. I thought everyone was pranking me. I was like, joke's over, when will I see my mom? It soon hit me when I saw the sad, worried faces of everyone looking at me. I was weak, pale, and I didn't even want to eat. I was brought to a room to see her for the last time. I felt like my world was crashing down. Seeing your mother's lifeless body on a hospital bed, still sweating because she was fighting for her life. The day before she died, I remember praying so many times. I also fasted. I did so many things. And Beaches Book were known to you people as Betty Bayo. She was my mom.